Have you ever wondered what makes a probate, trust, or conservatorship sale different from a regular real estate transaction? If so, you're not alone. These sales come with unique family complexities, legal requirements, and a legal and court oversight process that most agents just don't have experience with. And that can cost you a lot of time, energy, and money. That lack of experience also makes an already stressful process more stressful. In this video, I'll break down the key differences and show you why having a real estate expert who specializes in these types of transactions is critical. So let's dive in so you can navigate the process with confidence. For a probate and trust sale, you may be in the hot seat. You might be selling a family home you grew up in, a friend's home, or a client's home or apartment building, or commercial property that you do not own. You may have had to move a parent to assisted living, a friend may have passed away, or as a professional fiduciary, you've been appointed by the court to administer the estate of a person you may have never met, with an eager family that may not be excited that you're in the mix. To that end, there may be a whole variety of interested parties that are watching you: family, minor and adult children, friends, charities, other heirs, and beneficiaries, as well as attorneys and the courts. There is likely also a very specific legal process you may need to follow, and an attorney and court to work with. You may have a property that has been owned or lived in for 40+ years. It may not have been kept up during that time or updated, and it may be full of stuff. And by stuff, I mean personal property. Where do you start and how do you address this? There also may be title issues to work through. Mom and dad may have bought this home in 1940, and they may or may not have put it into the trust, or may or may not have recorded affidavits when one of them passed away. There could also be other people on title. They may have taken loans that you may not be aware of, or they may have paid off loans that were never reconveyed. And there also may be heirs already taking inheritance liens against the property. Recent examples of unique situations you may find yourself in could be multiple siblings in dispute over the real property after their mom passes away. You could be in charge of a conserved owner who is moving to senior living and there's a big reverse mortgage on the home. Or you could find yourself with one family still living in the home who will not move. And the same could be said for tenant-occupied properties where there may be tenants with no leases or paying no rent. With all of these important things to think about, don't leave what could be one of the most important transactions to chance. Now that you see the difference in these unique types of sales, call us today for a free consult, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.